Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So we were on the chapter leverage analysis. So without wasting any time, let's start with the question. So following in data is available for XYZ Limited. So you have to calculate degree of operating leverage. What will be the percentage increase in EBIT if sales increase by 10%? Verify your result. The second is you have to calculate the degree of financial leverage. What will be the percentage increase in taxable income if EBIT increases by 6%? Verify your result. So let's first calculate the operating leverage. The formula for this is contribution upon EBIT. So contribution is given as 1,40,000 and EBIT, which is earning before interest and tax, it is 40,000. Dividing it, 1,40,000 divided by 40,000, 3.5. So 3.5 is the operating leverage. Now you have to find the percentage increase in EBIT if sales increases by 10%. So using the another formula of operating leverage, that is percentage change in EBIT upon percentage change in sales. So operating leverage is 3.5. Now the percent change in EBIT if sales increases by 10%. Sale increases by 10% and we have to find percentage change in EBIT. Solving it, you will get 35% change in the EBIT. Now you have also to verify your result. So earlier sales was 2 lakh. Now percent increase is 10%. So new sales is old sales, that is 2 lakh plus 10% of 2 lakh, that is 2 lakh plus 20,000, 2,20,000. Now sales 2,20,000. You have to deduct variable cost from it. So let's see what is the percent of the variable cost with respect to sales. So it is 60,000 upon 2 lakh into 100. Now solve it. 60,000 upon 2 lakh into 100, that is 30%. So variable cost is 30% of sales of 2,20,000. So it will be 66,000. You will get here contribution 2,20,000 minus 66,000, which is 1,54,000. Now deducting fixed cost, which is rupees 1 lakh, you will get EBIT, new EBIT. So new EBIT is 54,000. Old one was 40,000. So increase in EBIT is equals to new EBIT minus old EBIT. New is 54,000 and old is 40,000. The difference is 14,000. And percentage change in EBIT will be increase in EBIT upon old EBIT into 100. Increase in EBIT is 14,000. Old is 40,000 into 100. Divided by 40,000 into 100. 35%. So the verification here shows that percent increase in EBIT is 35% if the sale increases by 10%. Now second part. So we have to calculate the financial leverage, and then what will be the percentage increase in taxable income if EBIT increases by 6%. So first let's calculate financial leverage. The formula is EBIT upon EBT. EBIT is earning before interest and tax, and EBT is earning before profit. So EBIT is 40,000 and EBT 35,000. Dividing it, 40,000 divided by 35,000, it is 1.1428. Round off कर लेते हैं, 1.143. Now using the another formula of financial leverage, we have to calculate the percentage increase in taxable income if EBIT increases by 6%, which is percent change in EBT upon percent change in EBIT. Financial leverage is 1.143, percent change in EBT upon 6%. Percent change in EBIT is 6%. It is given in question. Now just solve it. 1.143 into 6. 6.858. It is the percent change in EBT, that is earning before tax. We have to verify the result. So EBIT increases by 6%. So old EBIT was 40,000. New EBIT will be 40,000 plus 6% of 40,000. It is 40,000 plus 2,400, which is 42,400. So 42,400 is your new EBIT. Now deduct interest from it, that is 5,000. So your EBT, new EBT will be 37,400. So change in, that is increase in EBT, is new EBT minus old EBT. New is 37,400, old is 35,000. So difference will be equal to 2,400, and percent increase in earning before tax will be increase in EBT upon old EBT into 100. Increase in EBT is 2,400, old EBT is 35,000 into 100. Now solve it. 2,400 divided by 35,000, it is into 100. It is 6.857. Hence verified. So the question is complete here. So thanks for watching it.